Hi folks, it's Ann again, and we're back at the Pines. Today we're going to take a look at one of our standard hazelnuts. Let's go check it out. So right here at our entry, again, we do have those fantastic digital locks for both the keyed and keyless entry. So it's super convenient if you ever lose your key or you get locked out. You only need one key then. Let's check it out. So walking in here, right at the entrance, we got that nice little piece of that vinyl. So we're keeping all of the debris and salt and all that good stuff out of the apartment. Now here, right behind the first front door, got a wonderful big closet. Great for all of those jackets, for your raincoat, for your vacuum, whatever your little heart desires. You can fit in that huge, huge closet. Now here, we have the whole living room proper. Get a nice little view there. So as you can see, it's gonna be nice and open for you. And this particular apartment is also a ground floor, so you do get this fantastic little patio space for you with some wonderful big pine trees. And of course, our porch light to give you that enjoyment any hour of the day. Now let's move into the kitchen here. We have a nice little cutout wall here. Again, it's gonna add to that openness of the apartment, really gonna make it feel much more open and fresh. Then here we've got our dining area. Got a nice big space, again with that natural light. Perfect for a big circle or square table, even a rectangle. Or if you're not a big table eater, a lot of people might even turn this into their own very home office space. We got outlets aplenty. So that's an option for you as well. Now going through here, we've got the kitchen. Again, it's gonna be that nice galley style, featuring those white appliances. You can see we got lots of cabinetry here for you for all of those dry goods. And of course, we can't forget the dishwasher. Now that's not all. If you think that was a good amount of storage, take a look at this. We've got, ta-da! A huge, huge pantry, super deep, gives you all kinds of storage space. So if you wanna stock up for the next couple months on your dry goods, power to you, you got the space. If not, makes for a great extra seasonal clothing storage, whatever you need. Then moving on here into the bathroom area, we've got, of course, another closet for you for your linens or whatever else you might need near your bedroom. That's gonna take us to the bathroom area. Here we can see we've got, again, our vanity separate from the actual bathroom proper. Really convenient if you're ever having those guests over. Never need to worry about, oh, I gotta wash my hands, I need to wash my face, or oh, I have to shower and go potty. Never need to worry. We've always got that space there. Now, in the bedroom, moving on, we've got closet number 1. Now, if you think this apartment has storage, boy, does it have storage. This is just the first of the 2 closets here in your master bedroom. You can see we've also got ample space for you in the bedroom itself. Again, keeping with those nice big windows to give us natural light. And then, of course, we can't forget the walk-in closet with tons and tons of storage for you. So you'll never search for a place to store your belongings ever again. You'll definitely have a spot. Now, if you're interested in this apartment, if this looks like your new home, give us a call today. This apartment is ready for an immediate move-in. So give us a call at 734-434-3455, or you can even visit us online at thepinesofcloverlane.com, and we'd be happy to get you all taken care of. Just shoot us a message, and we'll get your application started today. See you soon.